Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game not launching, not opening, not starting, won't launch or other errors on PC. So let's go through it. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So for that you have to go to Steam. Now here you can see the system requirements to play the game. Just launch Steam and search for the game, and after that go below and here you can find the system requirements to play the game hassle free. After that, launch the game and check if it's launching or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, click on the window arrow icon over here. Now you can see Steam option, right click on it and then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, then select power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as Steam. And after that, launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam under library section. Here you have to select your game. I am showing you an example. Now after that, right click on it, click on properties, then click on general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back. Here you have to type -dx12 and then launch the game and see if it's resolves the problem. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it and click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your graphics driver. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working or not. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. If not, you have to click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it helps. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if it is working. Next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then here you have to select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If it doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check if it's working or not. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the problem. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but running in the background. Simply select them. Now after selecting, right click on it, then click on end a task and this will completely close the app from the system that is running in the background. Once done, launch the game and check if it helps. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below and from here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Once it's downloaded, you have to open it. After opening it, you will get either install option or repair. So if you are getting repair option, click on repair and then wait for some time. And now you will get setup successful message. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. After that this will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to the services tab. Now click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that go to startup, then click on open task manager. Now under startup you have to select the items and then click on disable. After that again go back to the system configuration page, tap on OK and finally restart your PC and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. For that go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now here click on settings, click on advanced, then click on change. After that here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. Once done, select custom size. Here you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option. Now click on settings. After that go below, click on in-game option and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled you have to click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check if it is working or not. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, then go below, click on manage settings and here you have to turn off real-time protection. If it is turned off, well and good. If not, turn off real-time protection. After that again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. After that click on OK. Now launch the game and check if it is working or not, but make sure to enable the protection later on. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed. After that select the game application and add it to the list over here. Once added, go below and here you have to click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once done, launch the game and check if it helps. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. Once done, restart your PC once. After that launch Steam and again reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game and then click on play button and check if it's working or not. So by this way you can easily fix the crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.